Bum, bum, bum. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so we're gonna create another node. Well, yeah, we already have the node, and I think what we're gonna do is have our states object communicate with the player, and then the player communicates, and then the states communicates with the dash node. Actually, it could all still be done in the same scripts, but I guess the references of the player and the dash state are going to be written here. Yeah, I think that's how we'll do it. I don't know where to start though. Let me see. We already have the states node and we have the states dash. Wait, I'm surprised this hasn't returned an error to us since our dash now. Oh, because we didn't do it yet. Oh, right, because we're doing it this way. I keep forgetting. So player node is here. State dash is here. So I wonder if we put this, if we go into the ready right now. How's it going, CSLR? So, okay. So right now we have this states node, and we would say states node, like we would do it the same way we've been doing with our enums, where it was like states dot dash. But the thing is, that's currently what we're using for our enum, so it wouldn't work. We've achieved platformer dev status. I saw your screenshot. Be cool if Twitch would load the stream without me reloading the tab. How's it going, Half Moon? Yeah, hope the have it properly generating now. Nice. Not just in big blobs. Hell yeah. I gotta say, I'm curious as to what you're gonna do with I've never procedurally generated. Oh, what the hell? Oh, interesting. Oh no, it's because my pen is here.
Hello there.
Computing wizard, how's it going? Doing some late night work and chilling. Nice. But yeah, procedurally generating platformers I find to be difficult. I should go to bed, but who cares? Yeah, after my stream, I think I took a nap. Here we are again. I've lost all sense of time, though. I literally don't know what's going on. Like, what day it is. I just know it's Wednesday, the 30th. Sleepy Mushroom, how's it going? Boom. Alright, so let me get on with it. We could just say states node dot dash. Oh, wait, we don't actually have a reference to the player just yet. I wonder if this is gonna break something. Let me see. Although we don't really need a reference to the... Do we need a reference to the player? No. Yeah, we do. All right, so let's go into the player, and we'll just say right here, states node. Set player references for states. Oh yeah, we'll just do it right here. States node dot player is equal to self. That's it. Hopefully this doesn't do anything weird. Yeah, it's fine. Cool. So the only issue though is, oh yeah, we still have this, yeah, what the hell? I don't know wonder why this is happening. But yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, let's look at that in just a second. So in our dash state, we'll fix that just in just a second, but I do want to see what sort of things we need to start replacing, because, let me see. So whenever we're saying state.dash, we're going to say, let me see if this works. We're going to say states node dot state dash dot update. It doesn't work because we're writing it in the ready function. Let me see something. Is there any way for us to do this? Maybe we don't need for the states node to know that it's a player. We can just say, wait. Let me see something. Where's the 5th level? Hasn't been made yet. Yeah, why isn't it our state dash is equal to states dash to get a good grasp on the systems in play? Alright. Well, yeah, any feedback is appreciated. It will be updated pretty soon, though. It is going to be slightly different. Alright, actually, before we do anything, let me back this up. Okay. So on ready var dash node, let me see something. States node dot dash node dot. Why doesn't it show the update
Hello
function?
there.
Guess that's not how this works. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to. But let me see something. Test func. Test func shows up. Yeah, how's it going, Akron? How are you getting second and third? This program is kind of glitched. Sleepy AF. What time is it over there? Like 4? States underscore node dot dash node. See something. Yeah, dot dash node is equal to, maybe because it's not it's actually not in the scene. Yeah, let me try putting it in the scene. Remove dash. Yes. Let me see something. I'm sure it'll work. Where is it? Boom, 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 boom. The whole point was so that I could see the functions, but I guess maybe we won't be able to. We'll see. Boom, boom, boom. I like when I do it works when I'm clicking into menus, but when it comes to backing out, it comes to close back at the main menu, it doesn't work. What the fuck? How do you load in and unload menus in game? It's ran on the top of the screen. If you're talking about the main scene, you can't go back because it's its own scene. I can change that eventually, but right now it's not. What the hell is going on here? Actually, dude, what did I do recently? What did I change? Did I change something recently? No. Brother, come on. Level_manager.player node set. Okay, so we're saying this is equal to self. Non-existent function. Bum 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 bum. Come on. It's like going in the opposite direction of what I press, and then What state are we in? We're not in any state. What the fuck? Should be returning no. I don't know. Here, I guess we'll just print this out. Oh, we should be printing new state. Let me see. New state is equal to 20. I don't know what 20 is. Probably returning dash? Neutral. Did we do something recently to our neutral state? I'm currently rewriting the... That's so weird. I was working on it this morning. Maybe like... fuck. It was working perfectly fine. We must have like maybe I closed it and I didn't save whatever last thing I wrote was. Fuck. Or oh, maybe it's this. Whatever this is. Oh, you know what's weird? We're on the dash state. From the dash state, let me see. Yeah, we're not changing states correctly. Oh, no shit. But we don't need to say update. We just need to say new state. I'll see you, Acker. Have a good night and good luck with the interview. Okay. All right, so our movement, we commented out some neutral movement. So originally what we said, if it's greater than this, we do this. We want to make sure we keep it at 80. Yep. On the diagonals, I think they're growing. Shit. What the fuck? Why does this look... Okay, 56. Alright, yeah. This is exactly how we want it to look, but something feels odd to me. So what is this about? Why are we in the, Oh, that's the slide state that we're entering, that's fine. Right? Yeah, okay. Negative 80 on dash. We're at negative 108 somehow. But I'm sure at the next frame it's negative 80, I guess. No. No, yeah. Minus 23 is negative 8. Okay, yeah. So it is subtracting correctly. There's no friction, so I guess that's what's... No, there's no friction on the neutral state on the Y. Oh, interesting. You know, it's weird. It doesn't even look bad on when in slow mo. It looks perfectly normal in slow mo actually. So maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking too. If I just play the game, it feels fine. But like when I look at it, when I focus on the player, that's when it like looks weird to me. That's why I'm spending so much time on this. It actually looks fine at the moment. What the fuck? Let me see. What is weird about going? We're going from 56. The second we exit the neutral state, we're accelerating, which makes sense. I guess that's the part that's weird to me. That the dash that we're experiencing, it doesn't leave us, you know, it doesn't seamlessly put us at the minimum speed of the player. So like, it's like we go at we're decelerating to a stop on the dash, and then we're slowing down. That's the part that's weird. What we did before was we put the player's speed on the x-axis a little faster, and that helped because then, yeah, it would seamlessly move. On the y-axis, it would look slightly weird. So if we got rid of this, let me see. If we got rid of this, motion dot length on the x-axis was so there we go. Now what's happening is our dash okay. So maybe what we want to do is on the exit of the let me think about this. If you look, wait, let me see this again. Our neutral state speed is going closer and closer to it's going above 80. Let me take out paint. So by default, this is 1. If we keep pressing input, well, and it really depends on what we allow to happen. If there's the typical movement, if we keep it like how it was before, was we set this is one tile worth of distance, which is, you know, this would be basically this is vector 2, you know, v1 1, or yeah, 1 negative 1 dot normalized times 80. If we allow input from the player, then we can seamlessly let the player move to the right and keep that same speed. Maybe what we'll want to do to make sure that this speed is exactly the same is like we can try converting it to like changing the angle so that it's like facing the right, like kind of converting it to a right dash neutral movement. The other thing that we could do is, based on the player's movement or based on the player's input, we could leave it to do like if they press upright, it'll stay as an upright and your movement would be halted. But the thing is, once you get to the fall state, the player's going to start accelerating on the fall state. So that's the problem. So like we'll say fall dash neutral. So we're in the fall. The second you enter the fall, if it's this value right here, the second you enter the fall, you're already going to start accelerating faster than this speed right here. Like the transition between this state and the fall state. So here we'll call this the fall state. You know, movement becomes dot x starts, you know, plus equals, we'll just say plus equals speed. And so then what happens is, once you start moving to the speed, it just looks weird. It's like you're accelerating, you slow down, or like you're accelerating to the 7th tile, and then as you're going, once you reach the end, like right here of this point, you start accelerating to the right, which makes no sense. Or just it just looks weird to me. And it's because we add like velocity, like because we add friction and stuff to the player's like movement in like almost all states except for the dash state. It just looks weird. So what can we do? If there's input from the player on, if they want, let's say they want to go to the right. They keep pressing vector 2 dot right. All right, so we'll say case, A. Oh. Say A. The thing is, most of the time, the player's going to be on this type of dash, they're pressing upright. So player is pressing upright. If player is pressing upright, do we want them to keep going in the upright direction? That if we do this, again, the second they enter the fall state, the only thing that's going to be registered is right input. And so they'll just start accelerating this way. We need to figure out, maybe if they're pressing upright, we sort of accelerate. We don't accelerate. Maybe we only give them mobility on the x-axis, which would make our life so much easier. But I don't know if that's going to feel like intuitive or like good. So, but yeah, what we could do is if player is pressing upright, it's equal to just pressing just right. That way, we'll start converting this this vector 1 1 1 negative 1 to so this is v 1 negative 1. We'll start converting it to just 1 0. So this is upright, and this will be converted. Yeah, we have it down here. Within this 0.1. Within the neutral state. So that would mean if you dash, you would still be getting... Okay, wait. The other solution, oh my god, this would be another can of worms that I'm not sure I'm ready for. Because another thing we could do is if we just made the speed of the... Because right now, what we're doing on our player is also we're saying we're capping the speed at 80 pixels per frame, or sorry, 80 pixels per per second, I guess I could say. 80 pixels per second, or 80 pixels per no, 8 pixels per second. No, 80 pixels per second. So if we did it this way, like, it would look like this. Like, it would be a red dash, so it would look like this. It would be like boom. And then as you're pressing right, I'm thinking we'd actually just convert it right away, not like have it like, move towards this value. I would just be like, oh, if there's right input, just make it right input. So it would turn into this. That way it like smoothly transitions to the fall state. So then you would go towards the right, and then in the fall state it would be like this. And yeah, this little section right here would be pretty seamless. We could try it. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but it would. The whole point is to achieve a total of 7 tiles. And then I guess what we could do is, this is only for upright, or I mean like for right and upright. If there is upwards movement, we would do the same thing. It would be like this. It'd be like boom, 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 boom. It'd be like this, and then at the fall state, or yeah, you are technically in the fall state, you would start going up just a bit, and then you would fall straight down. But it would be consistent. It already is consistent for this one, because we don't have to worry about like friction or any of those other outside variables. But yeah, it would be kind of weird that uprights don't make you go, in this direction. They make you go right, and then the total distance that you're achieving is, it's weird because like this distance is whatever whatever PEMDAS is right here. So this would be 6, and then whatever this is, whatever these values are, I don't care. I don't care about them. But yeah, 6 tiles here, and then 1 tile going across, or 1 tile going up. So those are the only, like, it would always be right, left. All right, so if there's right or left input, we do this. If there's no input, that's the one time that there would be a, actually, wait. If there's no input, the player would just drop straight down. Or, like, velocity would be set to 0, and you would fall straight down at the end of the state. It's like as if you just canceled everything. All right, so let's give it a shot. Kind of like these values. Blue, green is the fall state. Is that what we're currently doing? Player path. Jump. We'll make jump. We don't have a jump currently. Oh, jump is, I'm going to say orange. Maybe. Orange red. Or here, we'll do orange. And then bounce will be orange red. And the fall state will be green. And neutral state, we don't have one. States dot neutral. I kind of like the color that it currently is. It's blue, but maybe we can find a better blue. Is there a baby blue? Oh, I just saw it. Aqua. Aqua. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this is kind of distracting, actually. I like the old colors. Whoops. All right, what was jump? Jump was Here, wait, let me set jump to blue or something. Yeah, that's the problem. This is important. The bounce maybe we can keep as orange red. We'll see. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right. You know, it still looks kind of weird to me, even in the, let's see. I don't know why it looks weird to me. The movement is exactly the same. Neutral is 80 and fall is 80. And yet it still looks weird to me. At least, maybe I'm just... See something. What's poppin'? How's it going? All right, let's update this. So what we're gonna say here, I'm just gonna hard code it. Should I just do it here? Dash direction dot normalized. Here, I'm gonna try it here for now. We might wanna. I mean, we do have movement right there, so I think it's actually kind of fine. Yeah, we'll say motion. All right, let's say if input controller, whoops, dot move dot movement input dot is equal to vector 2 dot right. We're gonna say let me just see something. We're gonna try just vector 2 dot right times 80. Got back from D&D sesh where we talked about nothing but mayonnaise and what reptiles smell like and crochet. 0 progress in the campaign. Nice. At least you guys made an attempt. I think that's all you can ask for. All right, so can't tell. See, move right input. I think it should be working. Let me see. Debug. No, it's not working. What? Motion is equal to vector 2 times vector 2 dot left times 80. If input controller dot movement input is equal to vector 2, maybe let's see dot x is equal to 1. Oh, that's probably why. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. All right, so you can see that so on the first frame, seems like we're still going up for some reason. Wait, let me see. But I don't think we are. Motion on neutral is 50. For the first frame, it is. I think we're gonna change that.
Hello there.
Yeah, how's it going out there? So I feel like, I think because I've been like stressed right at the moment with like redoing, like this is like the worst thing to happen where I'm like redoing movement. It's kind of stressful, and I feel like my attitude has changed slightly while I'm working on this. I'm like stressed. So if I ever feel, if it ever seems like I might be impatient, I apologize. What what the hell? We're still in the neutral state. We're not able to go into the dash state from the neutral state, apparently. Or, sorry, from the neutral to the wall climb? What the hell is that about? Stress is a myth. Just send it. And if people don't like it, change it back. The thing is, it is good. I think it's good. It just needs to be updated. Yeah, what the hell? We're not, let me see something. Oh, we're able to do it from the dash state, obviously. But let me see. Is there any walls we can collide with here? There is, but it's kind of hard to tell. I guess we never wrote it in the neutral state because we never had to. In the neutral state, if you wait, but it should. See? So yeah, I wonder if this looks weird. Let's see. That was weird for me. You see? See, what the hell? Why does this look so weird? The thing is, this is like the first chapter is like every edge case for the most part. For movement specifically. No, it's right. Wait. It seems like we're stopping somewhere. Boom, boom. But it's so weird because on the first, yeah, we're progressively going lower every. In our dash state, we go from 256, 230. Maybe it's the decrease. Maybe that's what I'm noticing. The decrease in deceleration. Or like literally deceleration changing to 0. From here to here, it's always been 103. Or sorry. I wonder if I would have. Wait, let me see something. Let's try that again. The thing is, yeah, this also, it turns us way too much. Maybe we shouldn't give player the... I was thinking, oh, we should give the player, you know, the ability to switch directions. Or actually, you know what? Currently, look at this. Right now we're automatically setting the player's movement to either vector2.right or vector2.left. What we should do instead is... Let's look at this. If dash input. Okay, but there's another thing that we would want to do, and that's to like check if it's already been manipulated. Let me see. We do this. And we'll only want this to happen if we've never pressed vector2.left. If we do press vector2.left, then it'll go back to normal. But yeah, we'll do the same thing here. We're eventually gonna put this in the neutral state move, like for the neutral state, but for now I just want to see if it'll work. If our dash direction is less than 0, movement input dot x is equal to -1, vector2.left. Okay. So now if I were to press here, wait, let me see. See, this is the part that feels weird. Originally, this was... If you press the button early, it wouldn't do that. And so... Yeah, I'm like changing I'm trying to change directions mid-dash. And that would screw up some gameplay. So maybe we shouldn't give the player momentum or like the ability to move. I'm trying to think. Because yeah, this is kind of screwing up gameplay, or like screwing up the original design of the levels here, and I don't want to restart that. So we can remove motion or remove movement, still add velocity. Let me see. Or maybe give the player like minimal movement. Like they can sort of somewhat manipulate their position. Like right here, you can kind of do whatever you want. We still haven't fixed the double dashes. Why does it look weird though? I really don't know. Maybe because there's no is there no friction on the... You see? We do have friction. If we add friction on the running, on the Y, see what that looks like. Okay, yeah. Yeah, if we add on the, if we add friction, then it's just gonna be lower. All right, so the other solution. Let me see. I don't know. Most of the level seems fine, and then they're like, it feels like depending on how I play, something puts me off, and I'm like, well, I don't even know what it is. Let me see. I'm gonna try with an Xbox controller. Could just be how like I'm inputting everything on a keyboard. So this is on an Xbox controller. It's actually slower, much slower. How I play, I mean. Oh shit. So yeah, we need to fix the neutral state to let us jump, or just force us into the second you go into the second you're colliding with the wall. We need to make sure we're putting the player in the slide state. So no friction. Here, let me try. You know what? Here, let me try this. No friction at all. Wait, what? We're like... We're zooming. Neutral movement. Move on neutral is going super fast. We're not capping it somehow for some reason. I'm trying to think if I just removed the... Now I'm thinking, oh, should I just remove the neutral state altogether? If we remove the neutral state... Alright, we still need the neutral state for certain cases, but just not when the player is in a regular dash. Boom, 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 boom. So this would mean, okay, this is giving the player less freedom, but honestly it might be better. See? I don't get why it looks weird to me.
So obnoxious. It's great.
Yeah, this is the same exact. Even though we're limiting the player, this is the same exact type of movement. Hmm. Oh, what the hell was that? The bounce from the skull, because we're pushing it back to that spot. I think what we want to do is reset the skull's position. Otherwise, it does that. See? Come on. Okay. Welcome back. You know, now that I'm looking at it now, I like it again. This is crazy. Makes you think like, oh, it's just all subject. It's all in my head. Making $0 from Mitch. Welcome to the club. I mean, I don't make enough to say I make money from Itch. But I've put more money into my game than I've made from it, so yeah. But that's fine. Obviously, because it's not released yet. Alright, let me fix the... I think I do like it the way it is. I can't believe... Alright, we spent an hour and 30 of me realizing I just like the original. Or like this original. Trying to think what else could change though. What'd be really nice though is once we if I get some decent animations, a cool animation for that in-between state would be really cool. Like it's like a transition between, you know, a solid state and a physical state and a dash state, the ghost state, I guess. So as long as I can come up with like a cool transition. To make a sick mobile game. Could make a sick mobile game. I kind of like it actually. It's like woo, woo, yippee, float around, have fun. Yeah, I like it. I think if we add an animation for it as well, it might be a lot better. I'm not sure, like, kind of like, not sure how to visually show, like, what it would look like. Like, I have something in my head, but I'm not sure. So did we go along with this? Pain is defined in an original game title. Selling on Infinite Jump. It's a pretty nice name. Bum bum ba-dum bum. Chloe. Thank you. Oh man. You're really holding me accountable here. How the hell am I gonna get? I don't even know how I'm gonna get someone to make a petting animation. Boom, 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 boom. I'd like to donate fake internet points to the petting fund. We could do that. We could make like a. I think there's a thing that you can do on itch where it's like a community based internet point thing, and if like, you know, usually it's really expensive. Like I would make it like at least. I know a lot of people have like over 100K on this on this stream, so I would have to make it like at least 500. I would say, because it also needs to take some time for me to, you know, I can't just do it, you know. You gotta make us work for it. Yeah, exactly. And it gives me some time to finish up the mechanics that I actually want to do. I could also just make it like I do plan on making a Kickstarter. I could make it the Kickstarter goal. Like the first goal would be if we reach the minimum, there will be cat petting animations. But little do they know, like I would do it regardless. But you know, like just to help with the Kickstarter, I would do it anyway. I would put that as the stretch goal. Using noise as story background for this, and it's superb. What am I trying to do here? Dude's failing as drawing an arrow. No, I'm just bored. I forgot what I was gonna do. Let me see. Is there something weird? I feel like it's good. how great of a viewer you are? Is that what you want to hear? Oh yeah, I was gonna say why I brought out paint was I was gonna show like in the neutral state. I don't even know how to explain this, but like, you know, it's almost as if like, all right, so you're dashing around. So okay, so in the dash, you know, you're kind of like a Naruto. How do I do this? Like a freaking. You're kind of like in the air. That's such a bad drawing here. Like, it's kind of like that, right? But then in the neutral state, it would be like. Something like that. I never show up for a full stream, then randomly leave. So yeah, I guess just the opposite animation, but it's more than that. Like, I don't think this drawing is perfectly showing what I'm trying to do. It's kind of like you dash over, and yeah, you're in the neutral state, and you're like decelerating, I guess. But your arms are still flailing. Biblically accurate. Oh, what am I looking at on Twitch? Let me see, like ghost moving to just moving left and right. Let's see if we can find a good reference. Nope. All right, I guess the best way to visually represent it, imagine this just looking in the opposite direction. Or, you know, it's looking in this direction, but moving backwards. I think that's the best way to show what I mean. And what I could, yeah, like imagine just this moving backwards though. I think it makes sense. What we can do is here. Let me try this. How do we flip the sprite? Forgot how I do it. Or do I say? Scale dot x. No. Scale is equal to vector 2. So yeah, we do this on player animation. Should update this. When does player animation run? It's ran in the physics process. Good. Let's go into. I'm just gonna put this in movement really quick to try it out. Visually, it sounds similar to fluid sloshing in a container. The momentum has to shift back when your velocity settles, right? So for now, it'll look like this. I'm just gonna say scale sprite node dot scale dot x is equal to our dash direction. Our state dot dash direction dot x. Sprite node dot scale dot x is equal to state underscore dash dot dash direction dot x. Wait. It's not too noticeable because, like, let me see. I can't even tell if it's on the x-axis. When we do that, I set the x is 0, so it's set to 0. But it doesn't look as cool as I thought it would be. I'd want it to, like, wait. Wait, I think I want it to go in the opposite direction. That was the point. Boom, 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 boom. It's literally only like 0.2 seconds or 0.1 second, so it's like not even like, it just looks stupid. Looks like he's trying to, like, breakdance. Alright, so maybe not. Maybe what we could do is, like, start the animation mid-dash. If it was just his little twig of hair whipping forward. Yeah, I'm trying to think, because, like, technically the player's never actually decelerating. That's the other thing. Is the resonance by whom my ears have been awakened by? Is that what it's called? Are you talking about the song? We're finally landing. It's by the same guys. Or whoever this artist is. So you were close. Resonance. I mean, again, it's the same guy. Or the same gal, or whoever it is. Alright. So, it's settled. This is our new dash. There was that weird thing happening where I was getting double dashes. Let's see what that's about. What the hell? I think it's our timer or something. We're still on the ground and the timer is resetting for some reason. I don't know what that's about. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Let's try to figure out why we're able to dash twice. All right. Yeah, why the hell are we dashing twice? On setting can dash to true or something. Let me look at the neutral state real quick. If force dash, or here's why, or dash input. So we haven't been doing dash input just yet. That's probably why this was happening. State dash we're gonna be rewriting this pretty soon. But yeah, that's why it was happening, I'm pretty sure. There we go. I want to make sure that the portals are good. I'm pretty sure they are. So currently, wait, let me see. We set it to 80. You know, I think we'll keep it like this. Okay. So now it's back to the force dash. It's gonna be hella annoying. Part 2. But hopefully it won't be as bad. Now that we have the second state. We can even, honestly, if we really wanted to, we can also do the same thing with the neutral state. Hella annoying to demonic boogaloo. Yeah. Alright, so, boom. Well, one, it's broken. Neutral state timer node dot time left dot dash forced dot dash node dot force dash neutral state duration. It's a variable that forced dash neutral state duration is used by the player. Neutral state time left is okay. Oh, look at that. We'll fix that. I know exactly now what needs to be done for that. But why are we not able to dash out? And that's because, yeah, the other variable that we just messed with, let's take this one step at a time. First, alright, we do this on the dash state as well. Let me go here. On enter forced dash, we say return player states dot neutral. And what do we call it? We call it like, let me see, player dot neutral or hold, whatever we call it, hold player position. Hold neutral position. Yeah. Seems like we wrote it here. It wasn't force dash, or states dot teleport dash. Yeah, why wouldn't we want to put this to true? Wait, let me see. When do we set it to true? When do we set it to true? Seems like we never set it to true. Right. Oh, right. We said or teleport dash. We were going to rewrite this. Here, wait. Let me see. Here, let me, I'm just going to grab this. We actually don't even need to check the teleport state anymore, since now we're actually going... we set our timer to always 0.1, so we actually don't even need any of this. I guess teleport dash. Yeah, we don't even need this variable anymore. Yeah, how's it going, Tomer? Elif dash state dot teleport. Yeah, we technically don't need it. I'll leave it for now. Let's get rid of this. And hold neutral position is set to true. The neutral timer is still also 1, so we actually don't even need it. I mean, we still need to do this. The timer, though, needs to be the same. Teleport dash. What? Mix tabs. My friend's request, I made a mode where you're always moving forward. And it's too hard for me to get past the 5th platform. For a few minutes before heading to work. What the hell? What the hell? We don't need this, I don't think.
It's disgusting that you're working at
What
this
the hell?
time on a Sunday. Have you got nothing?
Does this sound laggy for you guys? Alright, so we're still able to move for some reason. I thought we fixed this. Was enforced dash is equal to true. Hold neutral position is set to true. Let me see something. Neutral movement. If hold neutral position, we say motion is equal to vector 2, 0. Else, hold neutral position. Let me see. When do we set it to false? On exit state. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Side chained. Neutral movement is never set to true. Hold neutral position. Boom. See something. What the hell? Why is it still moving? Motion on neutral is 0. Motion on dash. That's so weird. It says motion is 0. And yeah, we're moving around. What the hell? On the exit state of the neutral, but then we're dashing again. But we're running it on... Oh, we're not running it from the neutral state, that's why. Hold neutral position, we should run on collisions, not in the state. Let me get rid of this. Let's go on activate node. Just gonna do it here for now. No dot activate. What the hell? Come on. Why is it still moving? but it's not always. See something. Hold neutral position is set to true. When do we set it to false? On the exit of the neutral. So we're because we're entering the neutral again. Here, let's get rid of that. We'll figure out a better place. But yeah, currently if we do this. Wait a second. Okay, yeah. Alright, so when do we want to set this to false? At the end of the neutral state. If it wasn't recently set. Oh man. What happened to those spikes? What happened? Let me see. I wasn't even paying attention. The top ones? Talking about those right there. Yeah, it's just I have to update the top map. These textures are definitely gonna get updated. But yeah, when do I want this to be set back to was in force dash? Let me see, it wasn't. All right. It was in force dash. If forced dash was in force dash on enter state is equal to true and is equal to false. Alright, so what we're gonna do is if was in forced dash we're seeing it here at the end of the neutral. But this is again on the exit state, right? Yeah, okay. So I do want to rewrite. I want to the same thing that we did to the neutral state. I want to do to the same thing that we did to the dash state. I want to do to the neutral state. But I am kind of lazy. Oh, what the hell? We were in a force dash, but we collided with a new one. Shall we do the neutral state as well before we continue? Could definitely finish it like in 3 hours. State dash was in do 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 do. Time is running out. We currently have 23 hours left. Before the deadline. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know why my camera doesn't focus anymore. It's like broken now. Maybe it's just not focused enough. Like it's just not. Contracted Cortex, yeah. Next stream probably? Okay. If state dash was in force dash, hold neutral position is equal to false. Boom. Boom. So was in force dash. Hold neutral position has already been set to true. And what should I do? And previous state.
And now for something completely different.
State dash was in force. And our previous state. Let me try. And previous state was equal to states dot dash. I don't think this is gonna fix it. But if it does, I will be pleasantly surprised. Oh, I think it is working.
It's perfect.
I think it's disgusting that you're working at this time on a Sunday. Have you got nothing better to do?
What the hell? Oh my goodness. Come on, work. Alright, so it's not resetting. We're doing something wrong. Boom, boom, boom. Should I redo the neutral state too? Was in force dash. We're setting was enforced dash. Here, wait, let me comment this out. This is on the exit of neutral. The previous state has already been updated to... Has it? Wait, wait.
Too much. It's perfect.
Damn, man, I really should rewrite this. Because, yeah, wait, let me see something. Change state. Previous state. Oh my god, yeah. I should have done... I don't know why I did it this way. I mean, it's worked until now. I guess we could say... But yeah, I'm wondering... Wait, let me look at exit state. It could break. I feel like it might break something. No, we're saying match previous. Oh, yeah, yeah. I think this should still work. Yeah. Let's do this. Exit state of state, or sorry, of exit state, and then we'll say, and then we'll do this. We'll have to see if it breaks. It might break. I didn't see anything that it broke, but it could possibly do something. And now in the exit state, we can check for the previous state on the exit state. There we go. There we go. Still we can't dash out. We'll do that next. Oh my god. And previous state was equal to, wait, was enforced dash, which it was, and previous state is equal to states dot dash, which it was, but there's one other case, and that's that we recently just collided with it, which we don't have a variable for, and we did write some stuff for it though. I was going to rewrite this. Why is this happening? Where do we put it? New movement, new dash movement? No. Eyeball movement. Where is it? exit this? This, yeah. Okay, so we said enter force neutral. I don't think we have one like that yet. Let me see. I forgot what all our neutral variables are. Force dash neutral state, hold neutral position, neutral state duration, force dash neutral state duration. We could say var hold, var enter hold neutral position. There's no other thing like force. Oh, it's probably named like force dash or something. Enter forced dash or something like that. Oh, we do it here? Yeah, I guess we started doing it in the dash state. So and state dash is not equal to force dash state, which it already has been updated, I think, on activate node. See? Do force dash. The enter force dash is equal to true. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to exit state. I'll see you. So we actually don't even need to check if the previous state, maybe we do, but we also want to say and not only was this, but also and not state dash. God damn. Just woke up. How's it going now? All right. Moment of truth. Please work. Please work. All right, so that worked for that. There we go. It's perfect. Well, almost perfect. Hey, what was that about? The final dash here. Oh no, that actually makes sense. Yeah. I think that's what we want to do. Okay. Wait a second, what the hell? Alright, so the next thing we need to do is give the player the ability to exit the dash. Right now they can't. So let's go back into, this is neutral state. State stop. Okay, so if enter forced dash, we go into the neutral state. If forced dash do we have a like while in dash state? When did we say it was in forced dash again? Not here. What variable do we want? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I guess this, whatever this is. Wait, no. Wait, no. We're saying enter force dash. If the state is equal to enter force dash, we go into the neutral state. Loki want to rewrite this, but I also think we can just force the dash. It's weird that we're saying enter forced dash is equal to false. On the neutral state here. I think we do want to change this up though. I want to say enter forced neutral instead of enter forced dash because it's kind of confusing what's happening here. Enter neutral state. Nope. Yeah, hold neutral position. We're gonna say var entered Oh damn, my head is I feel like I need to take a shower. I need to like relax a bit. Ah. Let's finish this, and then I'm gonna take a quick break. Okay. Should I just rewrite the entire neutral state? So we set it to... Let me see this again. So on collision we said enter force neutral. You know, I think if I just say enter... Let me see something. If force dash or what was it? Enter force neutral and input controller dot dash input. I think this'll work. And then we want to make sure that we just set this to false. Why are we not getting our dash back though? Okay. Enter force dash or enter force neutral is set to false. I thought we had this working. What's happening now? Enter forced dash. Let's see, set can dash. If enter forced dash is equal to true, why don't we set can dash neutral times force dash neutral state. Hold neutral position is set to true here, and I guess we could put it here. I'm not sure if this is the best spot, but we're gonna redo the neutral state pretty soon. Let me grab this and say dash node, or sorry, state dash is equal to r dot set can dash to true. What the hell? So if we don't press anything, it seems to work. That's so weird. Let me see. Are one of these running instead? If enter forced dash is equal to true. Oh, it might be this. No, what the hell? It's a little hacked because, yeah, no, there's another variable that we have that could have done this already. Or another, one of the if statements would have worked better. Oh, wait, also. Oh my god. Oh, I guess if we dash out, this is becoming kind of crazy. Seems like I'm just fixing one problem. I'm fixing one problem and like introducing another one. Yeah, I think I need to rewrite this. I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll be back probably. But yeah, I think I need to just take a break.
Who was? There was like at least two people who were. I like.
Alrighty, people. Till next time.
like do it on the